extension cord, plug them in, and then 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
This brand particularly is called Hyperlite.
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 The best lights to use for your shop environment.
Doesn't feel like it's made out of plastic. It feels like cast aluminum or some sort of cast metal. And again, the reviews are excellent. These lights look very well made.
I'm gonna have one extra light in the main working space, so it's gonna be brighter than Walmart in here.
How do they look?
They look bright.
I will always use them. You know, they have excellent lighting, great quality products, no flickering, no fading, no dimming over a year in the last shop. Again, we were very happy.
Whoa.
What a difference it's made in this barn.